Hi everybody. I have one last area that I'd like to go over with you. There are a lot more tools, but we're just going to end with this last one. It's about text. Text is a fancy way of saying words or letters. And I've already chosen a vertical poster and the background has already been chosen. I want you to notice look how they chose a font or letters that kind of look video game-like. And I think that's important. When you choose a text, choose something that adds to your picture, but also make sure it's something that people can read. And what if we were to, let me go up here. If we were to change the color of this, because this is what I see a lot, and we change those words to blue, look, they just disappeared. They just disappeared. So you really need to use a color that's going to show up nicely against the blue. This happens a lot when I see PowerPoints. You know, people create them and they're beautiful on their computer, but then when you go and show them from far away, you can't read it. Oh, excuse my yawning. I hope I'm not boring you guys. Apparently I'm boring myself. Anyway, click on text, and it shows us all of these different font styles we can use. Here I could bring shine, shine, shine over here to my template, which makes no sense, but I could. Maybe you can come shine, shine, shine at the competition. But again, see that yellow's not really working because we've got this other yellow. So we can come up here and mix and match and come up with all different kinds of colors. Oh, that turned like a boring gray. That's the beauty of the garbage can. If you don't like it, you can throw it away. Practice with some of these texts. Sometimes you might have, see how it kind of comes in a little box? But you can drag that box around and shrink that box, make that box bigger by pulling on the corners usually, or the sides. And to get rid of those words, just do backspace, backspace, and then type in your own words. Again, if you look up at the top, we have all of these text font options. We can make the font smaller or bigger, or if you don't have time to mess with that, you can just type a number in. Hey, get back here, you texts. Why did it switch me to animate? Rude. Oh, there we go. You can make it bold, italicize it, underline it. Make it all in the center. Give it bullet points. Ooh, these are fun. And more effects. Ooh. Oh, I like the curvy one. Add a heading. Ooh, that's fun. You've probably realized that a lot of this, the best way to learn it, is to just experiment. And that's sort of the beauty of Canva. And maybe the beauty of me not being an expert is that I'm like, I don't know, let's try it. Let's have some fun. So I hope you'll experiment and try some things. If you don't like it, undo, undo, undo. I can undo several times. Or click on it, hit the little garbage can. Or click on it, hit delete on your keyboard. See, I'm good at getting rid of things. Hopefully you guys are better at putting things back on. All right, let's work on text. Bye-bye.